Hi everyone, how's everyone doing? I'm doing great. Hey, I just picked up a few items for my GoPro, and I'm not sponsored by GoPro in any way. I paid for this out of my own pocket. I do some metal detecting, and I've been using a cheapo headband that you mount your camera onto, and I noticed it's not holding very well, so I decided I wanted to buy some new accessories. So I got this new headband through GoPro, and it just feels so much better. It's got these little rigid things on the side to kind of keep it firm on your head. I know you can adjust it and so on, but it just seems like it's a better quality headband. And then I noticed they have this jaw that you can mount anywhere. This thing is pretty slick. I have clamps, like when I want to clamp my wood to, or just something to a surface, and those things hold pretty good. But this thing is just like, it is robust, and the swivel thing is really tight. And I hope I'm just going to use it, on the base of my metal detector, and anywhere else I would like to hang it onto, maybe my ATV, or anywhere where I, just would like to clamp something real close by. It's really, really nice. I picked it up. It was like $50. I know you can order them online, but I decided to go to a local store to get this. I needed it today. So I set some coins out in the grass, and I'm going to mount this camera to this jaw thing, and give it a try and see how it looks on video. All right, hang on, and I'm going to mount this camera. Okay, I mounted it to my metal detector. I think it's just great how it looks. I know like if I have it on my head, you can see like my graph and stuff like that, but I just wanted to see what it would do closer to the ground and see how it would look. So I'm going to turn my metal detector on, and we'll see if we can find those coins that I threw out in the yard. Let's get started. See if that's the spot. Yep, there's a coin right there. Okay, we'll pick it up. That's the only thing I think might be a problem, is I gotta figure out how to show you guys when I'm picking up the coins, because when it's mounted on my head, I can see, you can actually see me digging the hole. There's a coin right there at the tip of my coil, right there. Okay, we found two. There should be two more out here. And again, this is just a test to see how it all works. I see another one right there. Coin right there. Again, right at the tip of my coil. There should be one more. I see the last penny is right there. Alright, we found all 4 coins. You know, I've done some metal detecting for 4 or 5 years now, and I'm still trying to find a Bitcoin. I know it's cryptocurrency, but I like to joke around at times, and I also like to be serious. So I like to make people laugh. So you will hear maybe some corny jokes in my videos, but I've learned one thing: you can't take life always so seriously. You need to joke around sometimes. Yes, there's serious moments in our life, but we also need a good laugh every once in a while. So again, I appreciate everyone watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. That helps me out a lot. Again, I'm kind of starting off. I'm hoping to get up over 1,000 subscribers. And please don't hesitate to hit that like button. And if you find these videos very interesting, share them with your friends, family, and I will be posting some more videos. Again, appreciate you watching, taking the time, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.